welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Before starting this video, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and also join my Telegram group, guys, for unlimited crypto signals videos, guys. If you want to get unlimited crypto signals, join now my Telegram group, guys. Link is available in video description, guys. OG token pumped very well. 12.68 US dollar is the current price of OG token. 10.12, 22% gains in last 24 hours. And if we talk about the highest and the lowest of last 24 hours, so 13.11 cent and 11.31 cent, approximate $2 US the price of OG token pump in last 24 hours. Not bad idea. As you can see here, 24-hour volume, fully diluted market cap, and the market cap, the all changes is completely looking positive, guys. So OG token is still bullish, guys. If you want to make an entry in an OG token, so I think it will give you a profit, guys. If you want to buy OG token and just hold it for a little time, guys, 1 day, 2 days, it will give you a massive profit, guys. By the way, for more update, for more trades, join my Telegram group, guys. Link is available in video description, guys.